Tonight, in-depth coverage of a major local hospital company filing for bankruptcy.
Steward Health Care made the announcement overnight, but officials insist there will be minimal impact on patients. 12 News reporter Ted Nesi has the story. Ted?
Well, Shannon, Mike, St. Anne's Hospital in Fall River and Morton Hospital in Taunton are among more than 24 nationwide that are now owned by a bankrupt parent company.
I think it's terrible.
Fall River resident Beverly Parker reacting to the news that the owner of St. Anne's and its sister hospitals, Steward Health Care, has filed for bankruptcy protection.
It's not fair for the people. It's not.
Oh, St. Anne's has been here longer than me.
Fall River Mayor Paul Coogan concerned but not surprised by Steward's bankruptcy. He says he's gotten reassurances from the president of St. Anne's.
He seemed to think there would be no disruption in service. Things are going to go along as they should. This is more of a financial thing they're doing to try to get their books in order going forward for the potential sale, I think.
Steward has been operating in Massachusetts since 2010 when the for-profit company acquired the struggling hospital chain Caritas Christi. But recently the company has been struggling under a mountain of debt. In a statement, Steward CEO Ralph De La Torre said after the restructuring that will happen during the bankruptcy process, quote, Steward will be better positioned to responsibly transition ownership of its Massachusetts-based hospital.
I want to be clear. Steward hospitals remain open.
Governor Maura Healey is among the many Massachusetts leaders who have been harshly critical of Steward's executives.
I don't want to lose sight of the fact that this situation stems from and is rooted in greed, mismanagement, and lack of transparency on the part of Steward leadership in Dallas, Texas.
And Massachusetts U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren, also a fierce critic of Steward. Today, she called the bankruptcy, quote, a direct consequence of Wall Street private equity vultures looting our healthcare system. Ted Nesi, 12 News.
Meanwhile, Massachusetts Governor Maura Healey is not holding back on what she says has led to a major local hospital company filing for bankruptcy.
I don't want to lose sight of the fact that this situation stems from and is rooted in greed, mismanagement, and lack of transparency on the part of Steward leadership.
The situation has thrown St. Anne's Hospital in Fall River and Morton Hospital in Taunton into further uncertainty. Ted Nesi tells us what may happen next. Ted?
Mike, Steward Health Care operates hospitals in 8 states, but nowhere has it been more controversial than in Massachusetts.
Of course, we cannot guarantee that there won't be disruptions or inconveniences.
Massachusetts Governor Maura Healey convening state officials first thing Monday morning after Steward Health Care announced overnight it would file for bankruptcy.
I want to be very clear in telling the public that these hospitals will remain open and folks should continue to keep their appointments.
Texas-based Steward has been operating in Massachusetts since 2010 when the for-profit company acquired the struggling hospital chain Caritas Christi. Outside Steward-owned St. Anne's Hospital in Fall River, patients were concerned.
I mean, I've been here. They helped me out. I could have died. Don't close, please.
Officials say Steward's hospitals won't close, but they are likely to come under new ownership. Who that will be, though, remains to be seen. Meanwhile, U.S. Senator Ed Markey joined other Massachusetts officials in blasting Steward executives for letting the situation grow this dire, saying in a statement that they, quote, put the Massachusetts healthcare system at risk when they made reckless decisions that put investor profit over people's lives and livelihoods, ultimately leading to this bankruptcy. In his own statement, Steward's CEO blamed the company's insolvency on, quote, a highly challenging healthcare environment. The company says it hopes to get through the bankruptcy process as quickly as possible. Ted Nesi, 12 News.